A little hot, a little steamy.
A little hot, little steamy.
Even
So
on the
if you're-
hot and steamy days, I was out all day.
Oh yeah, I
Came
mean,
back
you just
really
find,
dirty.
You just find a pool to jump into. And you know, this morning we actually had some really beneficial rainfall that did help delay our heat today. So I would call today warm and humid, not necessarily hot and humid. And we picked up about 3/4 of an inch of rain at DFW. Some spots picked up more, especially when you look towards the south. Ellis County there in Waxahachie just over an inch and close to an inch and a quarter in Hillsborough. And Henderson County also picking up over an inch. A lot of those storms ended up pushing towards the southeast. We did see a little activity still across western portions of North Texas, west of DFW, anywhere from Palo Pinto County towards Hood County, Erath County, seeing some thunderstorms in the early afternoon, but a lot of that has already fizzled out or pushed towards the south. Here's what happens over the next several days. We have this ridge of high pressure, that heat dome, that's responsible for turning off any rain potential. That's going to expand to include parts of North Texas. That's why rain chances are going to lower for the remainder of the week, and that's why temperatures climb about a degree every day for the rest of the week, and it's what keeps some of this humidity in place as well. So we'll continue to see that for the rest of the week. So tomorrow, a high near 95 degrees. We go up from there, 97 on Wednesday, which is normal for August, and 97, 98 on Thursday, 99 Friday, 98 on Saturday. It is still going to be quite humid though, so on any given afternoon, it could feel like the triple digits, especially as we get into Thursday, Friday. We could get into that range of 105. So we'll be watching that very closely. We'll see how quick a lot of this humidity comes back as our southerly winds return. I do want to get you an update on the tropics because we now have our 4th named storm of the season, and this is Tropical Storm Dexter. It's way out in the Atlantic, and it will continue to move towards the northeast at about 15 miles per hour. It is not expected to strengthen, but it will stay a tropical storm for the next couple of days as it moves into the open waters of the Atlantic. But 2 more areas of interest now popping up in the Atlantic. The first one is right off of the South Carolina, Georgia and Florida coastline, about 30% chance of development in the next 7 days. And right off of the African coastline, there's a tropical wave that looks to move into the open water. That one has a 70% chance of becoming a named storm. The next name on the list is Aaron. Meanwhile, a lot more quiet for us here back at home. Mostly cloudy skies, warm, humid, light winds in place tonight, a low of 74 degrees. 95 for the high tomorrow. It'll be warmer, it'll be humid, we'll have light winds in place, and on that 14-day forecast, we have temperatures that get very close to the triple digits for the end of the week and this weekend. Now this weekend, I do think we'll see a little more cloud cover. So we'll see if it helps knock down those temperatures a few more degrees. And next week, we're also looking at a lot of 90s on the screen. Could be looking at a little rain potential towards the end of next week, and that puts us at the middle of August. But so far on the 14 days, no triple digits.
Ooh, let's keep that going. Thank you, Marielle.